Good morning, New Zealand, and to all my kalapatids in the Philippines, and to all pigeon fans here around the world. Good morning. So today is a race day, Otak race. It's a 336 kilometers air distance from my loft, and as you can see, the ground is wet, and we had a little bit of rain last night, but all in all the weather is good. So hopefully the weather will get better. The forecast is should be the weather should be at uh, getting better by late afternoon or early afternoon. So it's a perfect weather for the birds to fly home. And yeah, good luck to our birds, and hope they will come home complete and in good shape. Bye.